We have taken all necessary measures to minimize the impact of the construction work on your stay. The construction areas are far from the guest area, ensuring peace and comfort. The construction work is planned to limit noise and visual disturbances. Clients staying far from the construction zone should not be disturbed, as the work mainly involves interior renovations, furniture changes, home automation improvements, and pool additions. There is no construction work on the beach. There is a small area to be treated, 4 meter by 4 meter, something like that, to finalize a connection to our new drinkable water network. That's all, and it is not on the main beach where clients can enjoy the spaces. There will be one restaurant close in 2026 for a period of 6 months. We want to upgrade the experience of the customers, and that is going to be the period needed for that. But also the tennis court is closed. That's important questions, of course. The transit of workers and materials is organized in a way that does not interfere the resort's activities. The base is located outside and at the end of our motor. The construction works are following the initial plan, schedule, and are on track as of today to be completed on time. The rain factor remains present, but we are in Bora Bora. So just to back up the answers I had the pleasure to share with you, we started the renovation project by the Zone 100. That's the name we gave for the project, but it's just right here. And the guests are staying on the other side of the resort. And just for you to remember, the resort is stretched by 2.2 kilometers long. So there is nothing that can impact the experience of the customers. Right. So now we are right in the middle of the renovation area. And as you can see and hear, there is no really noise, no visual pollution, nothing at all that can impact the experience of our customers. Thank you. Maruru.